how can it be possible for an AI system to cause societal scale locking of values? The canonical model for this to happen is like a powerful actor, for example, an AI company that monopolized the AI. They decide to like inject their own values into the AI system in a way that no other actor could shake. And this could pose, in theory, a long-term lock-in of their values. That's the canonical model. And here I'm trying to argue that this is not the whole picture. Specifically, there's the possibility of accidental value lock-in, even if we successfully build very democratic, very pluralistic governance of AI. And then I'll briefly talk about some potential ways out of this. This is work jointly with Zhonghao He, who is also here, I think. Yep. So today, the frontier AI systems, including large language models, they are being used to answer a lot of questions, generate text that floods the internet, and they're being used in different education setups that are like very crucial for forming people's values. And very soon, they may be used to make different kinds of business, social, or policy decisions. In all of these different areas of application, there is a very large room for influence on the human users, as has been shown by a bunch of different human-AI interaction studies. These influences are both on the individual level, on the individual opinions of humans, and at the collective level, on the patterns of how humans communicate. What could go wrong in this process? Well, okay, for one, we know that through methods of prosaic alignment, so methods like reinforcement learning from human feedback, we very successfully inject our own values, or at least proxies of them, into the AI systems. But at the same time, if the AI system also exerts influence over us, that could mean our values are fed again back to us in a way that reinforces existing values. So if this feedback loop like dynamics going on indefinitely, it's not hard to imagine what will happen. Like this is precisely what happens in social media feedback loops. Social media echo chambers. Except that in our case, if the AI systems are like so ubiquitous, they could exert influence that's like orders of magnitude stronger than those in social media echo chambers. And that's pretty worrying. Yep, so we set out to test this hypothesis, whether it's something that is happening or is something that could happen. So yeah, here's like, we skip over the math and directly talk about some of the results. Okay, so here's the result where we find that on questions where every single human individual with enough time and cognitive effort could figure out the truth. When we introduce into the picture a feedback loop between the human individuals and the AI system, they will very likely end up converging on a false belief on the topic if they have sufficient level of trust between them. It's pretty ominous, but it could just be like an artifact of the setup, except that simulations also tell the same story, where if we have like language model simulated humans interacting with the language model on controversial topics about values, we end up seeing polarization and loss of diversity in very extreme ways. But again, this could just be an artifact of the simulation setup. So we test the same hypothesis on actual real-world data on how human users engage with GPT. And it turns out that at every single version update of the GPT API, there is a significant drop in the diversity of human concept use in their communications with the system, including on the subset of concepts that are especially value-laden, those about morality, politics, and religion. And the effect is consistent across different setups, different metrics, and different ways to control for confounders. So yeah, why are we concerned about this? Because we want the progress of morality and knowledge to continue even after AI runs our society. And it seems that the previous dynamics that we talked about is a barrier against that. So yeah, what are some possible ways out? We are thinking about, okay, like if this kind of dynamics entrench existing beliefs, we can find ways to avoid entrenchments by measuring them and monitoring them at a systemic scale. Ideally, we would like the system of fully fledged auditing that matches a range of epistemic health metrics in the human AI collective. And then what we can measure, we can optimize. At least that's the idea. And we're trying to build towards that by starting from building this portfolio of different metrics for measuring epistemic health. And at an individual level, we could try and build AI systems that are specifically trained to be truth-seeking, even on very hard conceptual questions that are conceptually confusing. Okay, one of our current efforts is that we are compiling this directory of open problems in AI influence. So if you are interested, we'll be happy to collaborate on this. Much of the content in this talk is sourced from this paper, which is the collaboration between the several of us. So yeah, thanks so much.